What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome to the channel, man. I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, man, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, as always, y'all know I like to do a lot of talking, man. Let's get right into the shoe. Y'all seen the caption, y'all seen the title, man. We got a regular red Nike Dunk box, man. The tag reads, Women's Nike Dunk Low, peach cream white, man. Now this, in my opinion, is one of the better dunk colorways that have released lately. And I know everybody's still going crazy over pandas. You can't go wrong with those, man. You can wear those every day, but this one is nice to me, man. This one is really nice. Here we have the Nike Dunk Low. This is a women's colorway, peach cream, man. Now, this is my favorite style of dunk with the accent color and then with the white color block, you know, the one with the two colors. It'd be one color on the toe box and one color with the accent, man. This is my favorite like dunk style. But this peach cream dunk in particular, man, it looks really good. It's giving off orange a little bit on the camera, but it is really peach. And that is like a creamish color, kind of like a very, very light gray, but it's not a white on that toe box on that side panel. But yeah, I guess it goes right with the name. It's peach and it's cream, man. But this one is really nice. Now, we all know Nike's been going crazy with the dunk all year, man, giving us various different colors and different combinations, man. But this one is really nice, man. I feel like they ended the year out strong with this one. This is a good shoe for your lady or for your daughter or for really for the kids as well, man. I don't really see any problem with men rocking this one either. This is a nice colorway. But it is a women's shoe, so it stops at a men's 10.5 and a women's 12. So for my big feet guys, man, we got to look on this one. But this one is super clean. This one is a size 8.5 women, so that would be a size 7 in men. And like I said, man, it's super dope, man. So if you're looking for like a cheap gift right around Christmas or looking for a birthday gift or something, this is a good one. I know retail was like $110, I believe, on these, or $120, and they're not reselling for much, like $150 and less across the board, from like size 5 women to 12 women or whatever the size range. They're not going for more than like $150, $160. So this is a super dope shoe, man. I really like this joint a lot. The color pops. It's not like a color that I've seen them do lately, and it's not a color that I've seen them do on a dunk period. If I'm really thinking about it, man. But that peach and that cream really hits. It really comes off as like a light gray maybe. But it's not white at all, man. So I hope you're not seeing white. The midsole is white, and then you can see the gray on that mid panel, so you can see the difference in the color. So it is like a creamish light gray color, and then it's peach. Has the peach on the outsole, man. Super clean shoe. On the tongue, it has a white tongue tag with the peach writing. Peach insole with that white Nike on the inside, man. Super dope, bro. Super dope. Now, I was able to grab this shoe from my local Nike store over at Nike City Center. That had this one pair left, so I just walked in, just checking, riding around the city, and I saw these. I just wanted to grab them, and we'll see what I do with them, man. I did run a couple of raffles last week, so I might throw these in a raffle so you can win them for cheap or something like that, man. But these are available if you wear a size 7 in men or youth or 8.5 women. These are available, so shoot me a DM if you want these joints, man. We probably can work out a good deal. Like I said, they're not going for a crazy amount, bro, but it is one of the cleaner dunks to have dropped recently, man. So leave me a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Are these clean, or am I alone on this one, bro? I really think this is one of the better dunks to release. So yeah, give me your honest opinion, man. Drop a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints, man. Peach and cream. Women's Nike Dunk Low. But overall, man, it just about wraps it up for this video, man. I just want to give you guys a quick unboxing, man. Just in case you were on the fence about buying these, man, you can go ahead and pull the trigger on your local groups, man, on your resale apps, man. You definitely can go ahead and grab these joints. And like I said, man, not expensive at all, man. It's a really clean shoe, man. So if you're looking at these, man, I hope this video just kind of makes or breaks your decision, man. Hope I just gave you guys a good review, man. So if you like them, go ahead and grab them. If not a bad pass either. But if it was me, if they came out at my size and that men's 11.5, men's 12, easy grab, man, no brainer. But like I said, man, just about wraps it up for this one, man. We got that women's Nike Dunk Low, peach cream, man. Super clean colorway to me. Until next time on the next video, man. Peace.